today we are going to learn the dance to the song Footloose. Now, this dance is a line dance and is a little bit harder. The first thing that we're going to learn is we're going to start straight and we're going to move, and the name is a grapevine. So you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, and now back. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. So one more. Ready?
Working so hard, I'm punching my car. Forward, oh, tell me what I got.
Part of the dance, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I got this feeling that time's just holding me down.
So the next part is right here. Heel goes heel once, twice, back 1, 2, then again once, but now you're going to hop and change to this foot. So you would hop, 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 hop. Now, or like this, it's going to go back, and it's going to move to the side, and then it's going to swing, swing, turn. So look, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'll hit the ceiling, or else I'll tear up this town. Tonight I gotta.
Alright, now we are going to do the whole dance to this song. Are you ready?
Now I gotta cut loose, foot loose, kick off the Sunday shoes. Please, Louise, pull me up on my knees. Jack, get back, come on before we crack. Lose your news, everybody cut foot loose. You're playing so cool. Obeying every rule. Dig away down in your heart. You're burning, yearning for somebody to tell you. Life ain't a passing.
Good job. Now, all of us, we have learned the song and the dance to Footloose. So try on your own, and good luck.